My name is Karianne Lindenhovius. I'm the CEO and co-founder of ArthroSave. We have started ArthroSave to find a solution for patients with severe knee osteoarthritis. Now, patients with knee osteoarthritis, they have daily persistent pain and they are limited in their daily activities. And therefore they will get a knee replacement. But if you're relatively young, under the age of 65 years, this is a major issue, because then you will survive the lifetime of a knee replacement, resulting in a second knee replacement, which is expensive and often invalidating. So there is a clear need to push the first knee replacement forward in time to avoid the second knee replacement.
Well, the KneeReviver is an external device that is placed around the knee joint at both sides of the knee, and it distracts the joint for 5 millimeters for a period of 6 weeks. During this period, the patients are allowed to just walk on their knee and on their leg, and in that time period the cartilage is unloaded and has a chance to regenerate.
Based on the clinical studies that we performed so far, we can say that in case of 70% of the patient, we can postpone their originally indicated joint prosthesis for 5 years. And for about 50% of the patients treated, we can postpone that for even 9 to 10 years.
The KneeReviver reduces pain and it results in a joint regeneration process, so the patient can keep its own natural knee. So ArthroSave is able to postpone the first knee replacement and is so avoiding the second knee replacement later in life.
The clinical evidence that we have gained have shown that joint distraction leads to clinical improvement, so less pain, improvement of function. But we also see structural changes occurring in the knee. So improvement of joint space width, which indicates that there might be more regrowth of cartilage or cartilage-like tissue.
Yeah, the KneeReviver is a device that is specially developed for joint distraction. It's easy to place by the surgeon, and it's patient-friendly.
EIT has helped us in supporting creating a strong investor pitch to realize our Series A investment. And they are helping us to getting market entry to Germany and to get the product over there reimbursed and getting first customers on the list. We are looking for investors and strategics that would like to invest in our Series A investment round to get our product reimbursed, to further develop the KneeReviver and to create international market traction.